No.
Oh my god, you hate it.
It's pink. Very pink.
Oh my god, you hate it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the very first episode of a brand new series called Age My Space. Honestly, I asked you guys on Instagram to help come up with a name for this series and some of the responses. I feel like I need to just highlight a few of the honorable mentions for name ideas. Thank you so much. You guys are hilarious. So as you guys have probably noticed, I've been kind of going through like a transition phase in life, in my content, and I'm in desperate need of overhauling just the overall vibes of my living space as well to match this transition. I moved into this house 2.5 years ago, and when I moved in, I feel like I was just so overwhelmed by how much space there was to decorate, and I may have made a few hasty decisions, like definitely not referring to my office being redone about 4 times, 5 times. I've just been known to make some hasty design decisions. But I will say that I feel like my living room has kind of stayed the same for the most part since day 1 of moving in. Again, made some hasty design decisions, but I kind of went in like the boho route with like pops of color, and I just feel like that's not my style anymore. So over the next month or 2, I'm going to be making some drastic furniture changes and also some really fun decor projects that you can absolutely DIY if you're decorating on a budget. So without further ado, let me show you the space that we're going to be aging up today. I'm very excited. It's kind of a corner of my house that's been neglected since day 1. So the space has not had TLC in 2.5 years, and I don't know. I have no explanation for this. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel, the vlog channel, and also my podcast, Wild Till 9 channel. We upload new podcast episodes every single Tuesday, and let's go look at my neglected corner hallway of my house. Okay, so normally this is what this just like corner of the hallway looks like. Plus, I just gave away this like massive neon hot pink armchair that would typically sit in that corner kind of like in front of those sunflowers. And then honestly, like this is a cute bar cart, it really is. And like I still really like this sign, but we can do better. We can do better. It's not that it's not cute, it's just that it's not me right now. This is kind of like the very first thing that you see when you look straight ahead when you walk in the door. So I feel like I've just been putting off committing to something in this corner, and today is the day. So I have the chest, and it still goes honestly with the color scheme, so let me know what you guys think, if I should keep it or not. And then I have this big like photo grid, and I'm a little annoyed because it's rose gold and it's throwing me off a little bit, but I do love having all of these like photos and memories and cards that I've received. So I think for now these 2 pieces will stay, but let me know what you guys think. And I am just so ready for this space to look like I'm not 16 years old. Because I'm not 16 years old. So as you can see, that wall is very large and very empty. I spent so much time on Pinterest, on Etsy, on Instagram artist profiles, on TikTok artist profiles, and I came across so much cool. I actually reached out to a few small artists to commission some pieces for the living room that I'm so excited about, but I was having trouble finding a piece that was this scale that wasn't going to make me absolutely the most broke. So my original plan was to just buy a blank canvas that was like 5 feet-ish. That's about like the maximum size that I can get into the back of my car. And you can usually get a canvas from Michael's, especially using their coupons, for under $150, which is not bad for 5 feet's worth of art. Like, that's solid. But I was at Home Goods picking out just like some random other things and came across this canvas. I'm gonna get her. She's large, she is in charge. So she's already framed and has a gold edge around it. This was $170. It's 5 feet exactly. I'm 5'4", 5'5"-ish. She's the perfect size, like exactly what I was looking for. And honestly, this is a really nice painting. It really is. It's just not the color scheme that I'm going for. Jeremy loved it. I feel like it's very his style, but like we gotta add a little more color into it, I feel like. But it is really gorgeous and honestly solid quality. We've got the gold framing around it and then actually wood on the side, which like matches the rest of the house perfectly. So stuff this into the back of my car, and the plan is to hopefully paint over the entire canvas. I went to Michael's and bought some gesso, and I'm gonna prime the entire canvas first. Typically you would file it down, but I kind of actually want to keep some of the texture that they already have on here. So I'm gonna give us a prime with some gesso. I think it's gesso. I could be wrong. Please correct me in the comments, but like be nice about it, but like let me know if I'm saying it wrong. So I'm gonna prime my workspace and we'll throw some gesso on this so we can prime it and then get to abstract painting. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some frog tape and just tape off the sides, obviously to protect the gold from any of the gesso or the acrylic paint that we're gonna go in with after. So cue finale of Selling Sunset for me to watch while this time lapse rolls. Okay, we have gessoed. I'm gonna be so sad if I spend the whole video saying it wrong. Is it gesso? Just tell me.
Gesso.
The canvas is primed, and these are the 3 colors that I'm gonna do the like base with, and then we'll go in and do a few different like cool acrylic painting abstract art techniques. I've got some sponges, I've got some drippy stuff I wanna do. I've also got gold leaf. I don't know if I wanna commit to gold leaf. I've got gold metallic paint, but we'll see. I definitely wanna add in some accents that are black, I think. Maybe a little bit of like a darker peachy, almost red color. But here are the base colors, and let's get to it. Okay, so as exciting as I want this first contact to be, it's not, because it's white on white, and I'm so sorry. I feel like that's so anticlimactic, and I apologize. But this is gonna be a fun time lapse. I'm excited. I'm gonna be honest, I don't have a ton of direction. I found a few, oh god, there's foundation on this paintbrush now. Jesus. I found a few different inspo photos that I like, more to base off of color scheme, honestly, because I feel like it's really difficult to actually replicate any kind of abstract art. Illegal also, but also very difficult. So we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna get down a solid base. I don't have a plan. I would love to tell you that I do, but I just absolutely do not. Okay, and contact. Also, I've chosen to go with acrylic versus oil because acrylic dries really, really quickly. So if we do something and just absolutely hate it, you can really just paint over it. So that was kind of the decision-making process behind that. Oil paint obviously is a totally different texture and the techniques are a little bit different. I'm no painting pro, but I have Bob Rossed a few times. I just feel like I like acrylic a little better. It does stress me out how fast it dries. Okay, here's a fun color. Ready? Oh, she's abstract. Okay, I'm honestly really liking the direction, the colors that it's going in, but I can just feel that it's pulling towards looking really feminine and girly and just like pink and gold and white, like what I would normally go for. So I'm gonna do something a little bit crazy because I'm trying to keep things like gender neutral, but also I want this to be like fun pop art abstract, like some bright colors and like take a few risks. We're not here to paint something really basic. I want to make like art, like fun statement, cool art. So I'm gonna throw some brights on it. I just wanted to pop in and say hello before you see me going in with some yellows and oranges, potentially some reds, maybe some bright blues. Who knows? Like things can get crazy. We're making a custom piece, and the best part is that if we hate it, we'll paint over it. Okay, let's take some risks. Scary. Okay, wow, here's where we're at right now. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Honestly, I know red and yellow was like a bold choice, but I'm really in love with it. So I think now we start doing some other like fun techniques and stuff. I wasn't able to get a paint scraper slash like squeegee, so I broke a ruler in half and we're gonna try and make that work. So TBD on if that's a recommended DIY technique. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing here, and we're hoping for like a paint drag. It's supposed to be like a squeegee, I think, the actual thing, but like all the craft stores are sold out right now. Oh, actually, I don't hate that. Oh, 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 fun. Wait, do we hate that? I can't decide. side. Okay, new idea. I just want to try something. Again, if we hate it, it's fine. I just feel like I could do the scraping thing if the paint was just like already here, you know? Okay, let's just see what happens. Ooh, honestly, kind of fuck with it. God, I like need to brush my curls out, but there's so much like dried paint on my hands. Do we just YOLO it? Yeah, for the sake of not having like ringlet doll curls. So here's where we are right now. I'm a fan. Honestly, I like it. I don't know when to stop. Like, I don't know if there's a general rule of like when you stop putting things on, because you could just go forever. You could just keep layering and layering and layering. I am a massive fan of like this burnt orangey copper metallic. I feel like that was a game changer to like add some depth to it, to darken it up a little bit. Anytime that I think it goes on too intensely, I like just go and scrape in some squiggles and like some like doodly lines or whatever, and I feel like it makes it look so good. This is so fun, like this is therapeutic. Okay, so next I'm gonna add some cup rings onto it. I feel like it's just like a fun, cool, perfect circle to just go like pop, 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 pop. Not like too many, maybe like a few spots, like maybe like 10 total. I'm not gonna go crazy with it. I think the best part about this is that art is supposed to be subjective, so if people are mean in the comments saying they hate it, I just get to be like, well, it's subjective. If you hate it, that's okay. And it makes me feel better about myself about potential hate comments that I could get later on. Okay, I'm a fan. I know I'm not in the shot right now, but I feel like there's a little bit of an empty spot just like here to here. I added these little guys with just like a round sponge brush. I think those are cute, but I feel like there's something here. There still needs to be something here, and I don't know what it is. Okay, let's see. What will happen if I... Oh, bitch, that's cute. Oh, that could be fun, like right here. Wow, that looks really good. We love a little metallic moment. Okay, come look.
No.
Oh my God, you hate it.
It's pink. Very pink.
Oh my God, you hate it.
No, I mean, it's cool.
You know what happened is that it started out as like white, tan, and pink, and I was like, oh my God, this is so soft and girly. I was like, okay, let's add some bolder colors. Oh my God, you hate it. I'm so sad.
No, I don't hate it.
Okay, so, Jeremy hates it. Honestly, I like it right now. I really do. But I get it. It is very pink. I feel like where we started from and where we are now, things got more neon and like bright and like contrasty, but he didn't see the before, so it doesn't look better to him, and so I guess it just looks bad, and I'm so sad, but it's okay. It's totally fine. It's a process. I'm gonna go back to Pinterest and see what kind of like blue tones are gonna work with this. I'm kind of thinking almost like a navy-ish with a brighter and a black. I don't know. This could be a point of no return. I just want everyone to know that like, I am very aware that this could go very poorly moving forward. Moment of truth. Woo! Oh my God, the chair is so cute. Wow, we about to freaking upgrade. So before we take the tape off, I want to just like put it in place to make sure we like it in case I want to add anything else. I really want to be done because I think that if I just keep going, I might go forever, and that is just like not productive for anyone. So I think I'm done. I feel good about it. Do we like that? I think I like it. Like here. Do we like that? I think I like it. Oh my God, she's heavy. Ugh. Okay, let's peel this tape off. It's gonna be so satisfying. I have been dying for this part. hope you guys enjoyed episode 1 of Age My Space. I'm so excited to continue flipping little areas of the house and just maturing the vibes, matching it more to my style and aesthetic. Make sure to subscribe to the vlog channel as well if you want to see all the behind the scenes of everything going on. I have my new couch being delivered today as I'm filming this, so if you are already subscribed to the vlog channel, you'll have seen the whole couch delivery process, and I'm super excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next Sunday for another Sunday DIY. Okay, bye guys, love you.
DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.